That was the right call, man. Good job. Look at you need me to justify your decision. Get your hands up, son. Get your hands up, Bo. There you go. Cover. Yeah, dude, we were talking about going over there last night, and then my dad came in last night.
Oh, really? Your dad's here too?
Yeah. No. Yeah, he came in last night. Just came to have dinner and then left. Yeah, he was coming back to. They were bringing a load into Tucson so he could take it back out.